Hi everyone. So we just got this new Vevor Vevor clam heat press, and we're gonna give it a test run here. It is a very nice. It's a nice heavy-duty clam press, very sturdy, all metal. The only plastic on here is this knob. Nice and strong looking. And it comes with the this nice little instruction book. Has a warranty, and inside of here it also has numbers you can call for help and email, and you can also submit a service ticket. And then along with that we have our instructions over here. It tells you how to set the time and temperature. And not only that, it has the different temperatures for different types of products, for metal plate, mugs, cloth, ceramic plates. So there is some instructions that come with this, and we're going to give it a try. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to sublimate a design onto this tank top right here. We already have it set up. So we will be heating this up to 380 and pressing it for 70 seconds. Okay, to set this is really easy. First, there's a power button here on the side. We'll turn that on. Okay, then on the screen you will press the OK button, and you'll see a P1. That is your temperature setting. So you just go up or down arrows to set your temperature. This one here, I want 380. Once you have your temperature set, then just hit OK. Now P2 is your time setting. I have 70 seconds, and it's the same thing. You just go down. If you wanted 60, press the down arrow. If you want 70, we'll press the up arrow. And that is the length of time you want to press for. And then hit OK. Then what you're going to do is let it warm up until it reaches the temperature. Okay, so let's take a quick look at this display again. See if I can get the camera in there. You'll look on the left side, you'll have centigrade and Fahrenheit. So you want the bottom left light to be lit for Fahrenheit. And then on the right side you have heating and alarm. So right now you should have the heating light on, and we are coming up to temperature. Remember, we have it set at 380. So I just wanted to explain the screen a little bit. Okay, we're up to 374 degrees, 375. In a few seconds here we should be at our set temperature. You will see the heat and light click on and off, but that's okay. It will still continue to heat. Okay, we're at 380, so we're going to go ahead and press our tank top. Now when we're at set temperature, you just push down on the lever. As soon as you push down, your timer starts. You don't have to do anything, which is very nice about this. So we'll let that run down to our timer, and then we'll open it up and do the reveal. Okay, we've got a few seconds left here, and it's beeping, so we'll go ahead and lift up on this. The beeping will stop. We'll turn that off, and we can take this off of here. Pull back on our shirt. It's very hot, so be careful. And we'll peel this off. And it looks like it did a very nice job of pressing this shirt. Colors look really nice. Okay, let's give it a try on something else. We'll try an air freshener. Okay, so next we're going to use the Vevor press to press a air freshener. So to adjust the pressure on this press, it's very easy. You have this knob right here on the top. You screw it clockwise, that's more pressure. Counterclockwise, that's less pressure. So for this air freshener, we just want light pressure, so we're going to test it right now. You shouldn't have to push down very hard on this handle. That's a little bit heavy, so we're going to make it just a little bit lighter. So we'll turn this counterclockwise just to adjust the pressure a little lighter. You just should be able to push it down with 2 fingers. There we go. That's perfect. You don't want too much pressure, but enough to where you have some good pressure. So that's how you adjust the pressure on that. So we need to set this to 400 for 45 seconds. So again, we'll turn on the button on the side, and you press your OK button. Then you'll see P1, arrow up if you need to raise your temperature. We're going to raise this to 400. Once you find 400, hit OK. You press your OK button. Now you'll see a P2. That's your time. We want this to be 45 seconds. Right now it's set at 70, so I'm going to arrow down. You can hold it down. We'll go faster, maybe a little too fast. Or you can just press it once at a time. So we got 45 seconds. We'll hit OK again. And we'll just let that heat up to the temperature that we set it for. Okay, we're coming up to temperature. We've already got our pressure adjusted for this air freshener. Now obviously you can put more than one on here at a time. I'm just doing one for the purpose of this video, but you can fit as many as you can on here. That's fine. Make sure though that when you do use this heat press that you have butcher paper in the bottom, and you cover whatever you're sublimating with butcher paper on top. So we'll go ahead and put our butcher paper on top of that. And we're at 399. I just got to wait till it gets to 400. Okay, we're at 400. We'll go ahead and push this down. Our timer has started. It's nice that you don't have to press the button to start the timer. It starts as soon as you push that down. And we'll let that count down. And when it gets to 0, it does beep to let you know that your timer has ended. Okay, there's our timer. We'll raise this up and the timer stops beeping. We'll turn it off. And we'll see what our air freshener looks like. It's going to be a little hot. Be careful with your hand on the top surface here also. We'll peel this off, maybe. This one's stuck on there pretty good. And this is just one side. We do both sides on these. There's that side. I pressed it very nicely. And then we'll just repeat this process again. A new piece of paper with a design on the other side, and just repeat the process all over. So it looks like the Vevor Clam Press does very well with air fresheners also. So let's try earrings. Okay, so next we're going to try this press with some earrings. We already have one side of them prepped. Nice thing about a heat press is that you can sublimate a lot of different items: earrings, air fresheners, car coasters, license plates, t-shirts, ceramics, all kinds of stuff. I mean, it's quite a lot you can heat press on sublimation. So the time, the temperature and time for the earrings is 356 for 60 seconds. I think you've got the hang of this now. Just turn on the power switch. Press OK till you see P1. We'll arrow down so we can go to 356. If you hold the arrow down, it goes a lot faster. So we'll get to 356. You hit OK. P2 is your length of time you want to set it for. I want 60 seconds, so I'm going to arrow up to 60 seconds. Hit OK. And we'll just let that get to temperature. And we'll press these earrings. Now, I will have a separate video, a complete video on how to sublimate an air freshener and these earrings, so watch for that. Also, if you like my videos, please like and subscribe, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I do have a lot of videos on different types of sublimation, and I think if you need help with that, it would be a great thing to watch. Okay, so when this gets to 356, we'll start the video back up. Now, I do want to say, the same as the air fresheners, you can put more than 2 earrings under here. We're just doing 2 for the purpose of this video. This is a 15 by 15 press, so it's a pretty nice large press. It'll press good, it'll press extra large shirts designs. Okay, so we're at 356. And make sure you put your paper on the top. And we're going to go ahead and press this down. Like I said, shouldn't be too much force. And we're counting down. And when we get to 0 and our timer goes off, we'll take the earrings out of the press. Okay, we're coming down to time. It got our beep. We'll go ahead and raise this up. Turn off the power. And these are going to be very hot. Go ahead and peel it off of here. I may not peel it off of there because I don't have heat gloves on.
Let it cool for a minute.
We'll let those cool for a minute, and then we'll show you what they look like. Okay, so I think I'm really liking this press. It's easy to use, easy to operate, comes with instructions, does what it's supposed to do. And if you would be interested in purchasing this press, I will put the link in the description and a coupon code so you can get a discount. Please like, subscribe, and share. And now we're going to take a look at our end products and see what they look like. Okay, so here's the 3 products that we sublimated with the Vevor Clamshell Heat Press. I think they turned out great, and hopefully this review was helpful for you if you're in the market for a heat press, and thanks for watching.